When the head of state is out of the country, ideally the second in command is the person in charge. But there has been reports of strained relations between the two leaders. Perhaps you can clear there as well and tell us, is everything okay between the head of state and his deputy?
Hussein will take that one. Any other question?
Thank you. Yes. I think there are two questions asked. Jeff, I don't know. My friend Jeff asked a question. I don't know if this is the appropriate place to ask this question. I mean, you've heard what we've been talking about and what the PS has said and some of the questions that are being asked. And what the president, the journey that the president has been working for the last, since he assumed office really, on climate action, on the debt crisis, and this is the big stage. He's been at different forums trying to address this not only on behalf of Kenya, but on behalf of Africa. So this is the big stage. I wouldn't want to trivialize it. I want us to stay focused on the state visit itself. But now that you asked anyway, about the deputy president and the president, to my knowledge, there is no issue, Jeff. And of course, the deputy president's office is an office with all the capabilities and competencies. If you want to ask any question or find out anything about the deputy president, they have all the capabilities and you can find whatever information you need there. There's a second question on the matter of the office of the retired president. I think there are some issues that were raised in the media, and those are the issues that were asked by my brother from K24. The thing is, there's an office complex in Nyari that has been used by previous president, the late President Mwai Kibaki, and he occupied that office for 9 years. It is very well known that the office is there, it is vacant, and President Uhuru Kenyatta can use that office as and when he deems fit to use it. As for the other matters about budget, there are channels and mechanisms to access budget and provisions in the office of the fourth president, and all those have been provided for officially for any official engagement.